In today's video, I will show you how to create an AI travel YouTube channel that generates over $12,000 per month in passive income. You can automate the entire process using AI, from writing scripts to creating voiceovers. And the best part is that the AI tools used in this video are completely free, with just 30 minutes of work. You can create a passive income stream that will earn you money every month. If you're interested in making passive income, then keep watching till the end. Have a look at this channel. I found out that this channel earns around $12,000 per month, excluding their affiliate sales. So let me show you a step-by-step process on how you can create your own travel AI channel. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will use Gemini AI to generate a good name for our channel. You can also use ChatGPT for that matter. Simply go to Gemini AI and type, "Give me a list of channel name ideas for my travel YouTube channel" on the search bar. It will provide you with a list of different names to choose from. Go through them and select the one you like. I have decided to go with the Adventure Journal. Now we will create our channel logo using Canva. Go to create a design and type YouTube channel logo in the search bar. You will get many templates to choose from. After browsing through them, I found this one. I will click on it and customize the template to suit my preference. Click on Customize and add your channel name to the logo. Then change the font to a better one. Now once you are satisfied with the design, download it. Now we will create a channel banner. I really like this one, so I will go with it. Change the font. Add colors according to your preference. Now that you have created your channel logo and banner, it's time to work on the script. I will again go to the Gemini AI and ask, "Give me a travel guide video script about Italy for my YouTube video." You can see that it has generated the entire script in just a few minutes. However, we need to make some changes to the script to make it sound more natural to the audience. So please review the script and make the necessary changes to it. Now we will generate voice, and for that I will be using 11 Labs. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the sign up button. Choose a voice that sounds appropriate for your project. For this video I will be using Josh Voice. Now, copy your script part by part and paste it in the 11 Labs. Click on Generate, and it will generate the voiceover for your video. Now comes the most important part, adding stock footage to our video. The best places to find free stock footage are Pexels. However, if you have some money to invest, you can also try Storyblocks for some great options. Take your time and find lots of images and videos of places in Italy to make your video engaging and interesting. We have finished generating the script, voiceover, and downloading stock footage. Now it's time for the final step, which is editing, and for that we will be using CapCut. Import your files into CapCut. First, drag your voice over into the timeline. Then start adding the clips we previously downloaded and arrange them in the order you prefer. Now let's add transitions to the clips. Go to the transition icon and choose different transitions that will suit the video. Remember, transitions are important to keep the audience engaged and watching for longer. To add captions to the video, click the text icon and select Auto Caption. Change the language to English and click on Generate. Then choose the template you prefer and adjust the text so it fits the screen properly. Add music to the video. Click on Audio and in CapCut type Travel Music in the search bar and listen to different options. Once you find one you like, add it to the video. So, our video is ready. Let's have a look to what we created. Hey everyone, are you dreaming of romantic gondola rides, indulging in delicious pasta, and getting lost in the beauty of ancient ruins? Then get ready to fall in love with Italy. Italy is a treasure trove of history, culture, art, and of course, food. In this video, we'll be your guide to this incredible country, giving you a taste of what awaits. Italy boasts a diverse range. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.